Hello, good morning friends. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we discuss about major domain of Earth. In the first chapter, we discuss the Earth is only a planet where life is exist, right? So we discuss earlier the Earth is a blue planet because human beings can live only on the Earth because life sustainably element like land, like water, like air are present on the only on the earth, right? So this is the first answer of the question why the earth is only planet which has life, right? Now surface of earth is a complex zone and three main components here environment meet, overlap and interact. Solid portion of the earth which we live is called lithosphere. Solid portion, lithosphere is also a Greek word and which means the stone, right? Atmosphere. Atmosphere is also a Greek word which can meaning the vapors, the gaseous layers that surrounding the earth is called atmosphere, where oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other gases are found. Argon, many more gases are found on the atmosphere, right? Now hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is also a Greek word which meaning means water, and water covers a very big area of the earth's surface, and this area is called hydrosphere. Hydrosphere comprises the water in all forms like ice, like water vapors, right? Now the main key element is biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow zone where land, water and air is together, and all form of life is present only on biosphere. Biosphere means life where exists. Now this is an atmosphere, right? This is a lithosphere, right? This is a hydrosphere, and here all elements are comprises. This area is called biosphere, right? We discuss separately. Lithosphere is a solid portion of the earth, and here the rocks are comprises, and a thin layer of soil also contain nutrients elements that can sustain the organisms, or we can let's say which can sustain the life, right? Two main divisions of the earth's surface: one landmass area is called continent and whose water body is called oceans or basins, right? All the oceans are connected with each other. Look at the map. Now you can see in this map Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Southern Ocean. All are connected, right? Pacific Ocean with Southern Ocean, Antarctica, Indian Ocean is, and Arctic Ocean is connected with Atlantic Ocean, right? Here, the continent Northern America, Southern America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia are the continents on the earth, right? Now, if we see in the Asia is the largest continent on the earth, right? It covers one third of total landmass of the earth, right? Keep in mind. And this continent lies in eastern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. Asia is separated by Europe. This is Asia and this is Europe. The Ural mountain is separated Asia and Europe, right? If we combined the landmass Europe and Asia, we can say this is Eurasia, right? Europe is much smaller than Asia, and this continent lies in Asia, right, west of Asia. Now, Arctic Circle passes through it, and mainly, if we seen the Europe is a position where it bounds with three side water: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and here also uh, bound with the water body, right? So three sides it covers it bound the water body. Africa is the second largest continent after Asia, and here equator line, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, all three lines or passes through the Africa, right? So keep in mind. Now, Northern America is the third largest continent, and this continent, we three oceans are surrounded by the this continent, right? Can you name? First one is Pacific Ocean, second one is Atlantic Ocean, and third one is Southern Ocean. Sorry, Northern America. We discuss here Arctic, Arctic Ocean, right? Three oceans are surrounding here. Now, Southern America lies almost in southern hemisphere, and two oceans are surrounding itself. Now, here is Pacific and here is Atlantic Ocean, right? And the Northern America, here is Pacific, here is Atlantic, and here is Arctic Ocean, right? Now, Australia is the smallest continent and lies entirely in southern hemisphere, and it's surrounding all the sides by the ocean, or we can say by seas. It, if we see, this is a island continent because it surrounds by the all sides by the ocean, or we can say sea. Antarctica. Antarctica is a completely in the southern hemisphere and huge continent. The South Pole lies almost in the center of the continent, and it is located in the south polar region, and mainly it covered with thick ice sheets, right? No permanent human settlement lies in this continent, and many countries have research station. India has research station there. One win is Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri are named the research station of India. Now we can discuss hydrosphere. Earth is a blue planet. Earlier we say Earth is a blue planet. Why the blue color represent by the Earth? Because our Earth more than 70%, 71% Earth covered with the water, right? Now 23, only 23% is a land part, right? So this is a blue planet because majority of the water is present there. We can say 71% water is present on the earth, right? Hydrosphere consists of water in all forms, like running water of oceans, running water in rivers, lakes, ice in glaciers, underground water, vapors in the atmosphere. All comprises in the hydrosphere. 97% of the water, earth water, is found in oceans, and it is a two salinity for human use, and directly we cannot use the ocean water. Large proportion of the rest of water, which we can 3%, almost 3%, is comprises with ice sheet, glaciers, underground water, and small percentage is available in for fresh water that can cover in rivers, uh, lakes, etc. Now we can see by shortage of water on the uh, earth, because all the elements of pollution are act on the fresh water. Right? Oceans. Ocean major part of oceans are we called hydrosphere, and they are all interconnected, which we can discuss earlier in the with the help of map. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and one third part of the Earth is spread only in the Pacific Ocean. Right? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Now we can discuss atmosphere. The Earth surrounding by the layer of gases is called atmosphere, and the thin blanket of the air is integral and important aspect of the planet. If we can see uh, which air we breathe is and this atmosphere also protect from the us from the UV rays, harmful rays that can affect our skin. Right? Atmosphere extend height almost 1,600 kilometer, and the atmosphere divides into five layers according to the composition, according to the temperature, according to other properties of the atmosphere. The first one is atmosphere. Second one, second layer is stratosphere. Third is mesosphere. Fourth one is thermosphere, and the outermost layer is fifth layer, exosphere. Right. So these layers, starting from the Earth surface, first one is troposphere, and last one, or we can outer layer, is exosphere. Atmosphere is composed mainly nitrogen, oxygen, and these nitrogen and oxygen makes 99%, and 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and other gases like carbon dioxide or argon and other gases comprises 1% of volume in the whole atmosphere. Oxygen is the breath of life, while not nitrogen helps in the growth of living organism, and carbon dioxide, though present in a minute amount and important, it absorbs heat radiated by the earth, right? And it keeping the planet warm, right? So we can say carbon dioxide is also a essential gas. If we discuss about the domain of life, biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow zone which we can earlier discuss. Now unique to the planet, because here the life is exists, like lithosphere, mountains are visible, atmosphere is also visible, hydrosphere supports us, uh, the our life, and lakes, many more things are survive in the biosphere, right? All things about the biosphere is written in this. Now some exercise are also here, the four major domain of earth. First, biosphere, that can life, lithosphere, atmosphere, and air. uh, which one can, please keep in mind, lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere, right? So nature is major domain of earth. Thank you a lot, and keep watching, keep supporting, like the video, and thank you a lot.